In this quick video, I just wanted to talk a little bit about sharing posts to LinkedIn, particularly sharing posts to groups on LinkedIn. So if you're familiar with LinkedIn and posting, you'll know that when you're on your kind of home page, you always get this starter post. And by posting your content or materials there, that will automatically be shared with your network. If you wanted, however, to post to a group, there are a couple ways of doing that. So the first is to navigate to the group in question. Over here, go to groups, bring up the list of groups that you're a member of, open the group, and you'll see right at the top, you get a very similar option, but this time it says start a post in this group. So you could, write a post from scratch, post a link, copy and paste from a post you've put elsewhere, go through the process exactly as you would for posting on your normal LinkedIn feed, and that will appear in that group to the 849 members of that group. Another way to do that is to share some of your, perhaps some of your company's updates into a group. And to do that, if you find your company page and open that up, you'll see automatically you'll be looking at that page as the admin, the owner, the admin, or the super admin view. So the first thing you need to do is use this button over on the right to view that as a member. So this is how your potential customers are seeing your page. Scroll to the post that your company has already put up there that you might want to share. So this one is about a webinar that we are running. And if I wanted to share that into some groups, I use this share button down at the bottom. That opens a window and it asks me where and how I want to share that. So first of all, I'm sharing it as Rachel Clinton, as myself. And then over here on the right, I get an option of where I want to post that. So I can post it to my feed, I can post it to my feed plus Twitter, I can post it to just only the connections on my feed, but down here is where I get to the group section. And if I click on that, then that brings up a whole list of all the groups that I'm a member of. This is the one we were just looking at. So if I click that, I've already posted to that group. It's not going to let me. So if I pick this one and then click save, then here you can see it has pulled through the post from the company page. And here I get to include any additional information that I want to pop in there, a little précis or a preview or tagging people, etc. And then I click post, and that will post as me, pulling through Awesome Tech Training's post from its company page through to this group.